Hello, I'm Matt, and welcome to Modification Station.
Hello everybody, Trackmatch Productions 2016 back again, and welcome back to another installment of Modification Station. Today on Modification Station, we're going to be taking a look at Big City Engine Custom. Now I repainted this custom and did some minor detailing work to it. Let's take a look at the tinder first. So here is the tinder, nothing much, just a Trackmaster 2013 Henry tinder with hook and chain couplers and black wheels. So that's about it there on that. Now let's get to the meat of the pack. Right, let's zoom out a little bit. Now this here is custom Big City Engine. I repainted him in a dark BR green livery. In the dark BR green livery here. Detailed the boiler bands. Gave him silver handrails. Black wheels. Black pilot wheel. Had some trouble with this pilot wheel. There's his face there. And also you can see right there is a brake pipe I added on. It's just a little piece of wire. There's his face. There's his funnel. And all that. So that is Big City Engine. Now I had some trouble with this. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I had some trouble with this trailing, with this pilot wheel, causing some trouble. As you guys know on Twitter, if you guys follow me. I was going to switch it to a take and play bogie, pilot wheel, but I didn't. I stuck it with the original because it's the only one that works with this. So, yeah. Alright. Alright, so let's couple Big City Engine up and we'll give him a run. Alright, so we got Big City Engine coupled up to some Reddit custom express coaches and we're going to give him a run around the track. Here we go, Big City Engine. I don't know if you guys saw that, there was a fly on the track. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment on what you think of modified Big City Engine down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, it really helps. And also, follow me on Twitter to see what I'm up to see more behind the scenes features on these locomotives. Thank you guys for watching.
Hello, I'm Gordon. If you want to see more content, behind the scenes, and lots of other things, follow us on Twitter. Express coming through!
Hello, I'm Toby. And if you want to be notified for new upcoming videos, jingle the bell down by the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you again soon.